Hello guys, welcome back to Real Life Chinese with Olivia. Today I want to share with you guys the way I remember vocabularies. So for me, learning a language is about immerse yourself in that environment. So what I believe, you remember the vocabularies by your eyes and your brain. So how to connect your eyes and your brain? Here we use stickers. So basically, I'm gonna use kitchen as an example for you guys to remember vocabularies. Of course, we're gonna do the Chinese version. So first of all, where we're at right now is called 厨房. 厨房 is your kitchen. In Espanol, it's cocina, because right now I'm learning Spanish. So you're gonna write this on your stickers and all the possible and the vocabularies you want to learn and stick on the items. So every time when you use it, every time when you see it, you passively start to remember, okay, kitchen is 厨房, drawer is 抽屉. In this way, we can immerse ourselves into the complete language environment. So let's go.
第一个呢是厨房 kitchen 厨房，这里就是我的厨房啦，我把它贴在墙上，厨房。下一个是冰箱 refrigerator 冰箱，我就来找找我的冰箱在哪里，然后贴上去，这里就是我的冰箱啦。下一个是烤箱 oven 烤箱，再把这个贴纸贴在烤箱上 oven 抽屉 drawer 抽屉燃气灶 gas stove 燃气灶 gas stove 窗户 My window is here. Window. 椅子 chair 椅子 chair 锅 could be pot and pan. In general, 锅杯子盘子碗瓶子 cups, glass, plate, bowl, and bottles is all right here. 微波炉 a microwave. 然后是我的 tablewares 餐具刀 knife 叉 fork 勺子 spoon. So every time when I use my tablewares, I will know. Here is my 餐厅 dining room. 我在这里吃饭。
Okay, so right now I've done all the vocabularies about the basic things I wanted to learn in the kitchen, which is 厨房. I recommend you guys every time we do 20 vocabularies in case you get overwhelmed. And after you master this 20 vocabularies, we can switch to something new because there's so many items in the kitchen. Yeah. So this is a method for you guys to remember vocabularies. So if you like, please subscribe my videos. I will share with you guys more method about how to learn language, especially Chinese. Okay, see you guys next time. 大家下期见啦！